If you want to change your home screen grid on your Samsung S25 Ultra, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our home screen. Here it is. After that, we gotta find our home screen grid. So simply tap on it, and here you have two choices between 4:6 or 5:6. So you can see the differences on your preview screen. For example, let's leave it on 4:6. Now let's make it on 5:6 and let's press done. Now, as you see, it was successfully applied. To bring it back, also you can change an app screen grid. So does the same, choose your app screen grid option in your home screen settings. Choose 5:6 or 4:6. I'll leave it on 4:6 to be honest. You can also change the folders grid, 3 and 4 and 4 and 4, but basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.